Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Jack in the Box secret sauce. Hit it! Alright, like we said, we are going to be showing you how to make Jack in the Box secret sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We've got 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a half a teaspoon of a hot sauce. You can use whatever you want for hot sauce. Let's start mixing it up. As always, use a vessel big enough to hold all your ingredients. And we just start adding them in. Ketchup, mayonnaise, onions powder, yellow mustard, vinegar, hot sauce, and the Worcestershire sauce. We're just going to mix that up. There we go. I got some fries in the oven. We're going to do a photo shoot. Alright, let's give it a taste test. Got the fries here. Dip it right on in there. Very good sauce. I believe Jack in the Box used to put this on their burgers. Don't have any around here. Haven't seen them in like a decade or two. But this is a very good sauce. Got that tang from the vinegar and the Worcestershire in there. The mustard, the ketchup, and the mayonnaise all come together to always make a good sauce for anything that's fast food. So, let me give it a little more bite. Alright, we made Jack in the Box secret sauce. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And do not forget to share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.